In Moroccan culture, one pastry reigns supreme: Kaab El Ghazal, or gazelle horns. Their crescent shape and delicate appearance make them a symbol of celebration and hospitality. You'll find them at weddings, Eid, and family gatherings, always marking a special occasion. Serving Kaab El Ghazal is a gesture of warmth, offering guests a taste of Moroccan heritage. Each pastry features thin, crisp dough wrapped around a fragrant almond filling. The aroma, almonds, orange blossom water, and cinnamon, evokes memories and joy. Passed down through generations, the art of making Kaab El Ghazal is a cherished tradition. Their origins trace back to Andalusia, refined in Morocco's royal courts. For Moroccans, these pastries are more than food. They're a link to family, history, and celebration. Making them requires patience and skill, but the result is a true work of art. Every bite is a taste of tradition, crafted with care and respect for heritage. Kaab El Ghazal embodies Moroccan culinary artistry: simple ingredients, extraordinary results. To share them is to share the heart of Morocco. Authentic Kaab El Ghazal starts with two essentials: delicate dough and rich almond filling. The dough uses flour, unsalted butter, egg yolk, salt, and orange blossom water for structure and aroma. The filling is a blend of blanched almonds, sugar, orange blossom water, and a hint of cinnamon. Some add gum arabic for extra chewiness. Each ingredient is chosen for purity and flavor. Fresh almonds, aromatic orange blossom water, and quality butter are key. The dough must be kneaded until smooth and elastic, ready to be rolled paper thin. Almonds are ground to a slightly grainy paste, not too fine. The sugar and orange blossom water create a cohesive, fragrant filling. The harmony between crisp dough and perfumed filling defines this pastry. Respecting these simple ingredients is essential for authenticity. The result? A masterpiece of Moroccan baking. With care and quality, you set the stage for something truly special. Kaab El Ghazal is proof that simplicity done right is extraordinary. Begin by grinding blanched almonds with sugar until coarse. Add cinnamon, gum arabic if using, and orange blossom water. Knead into a thick, fragrant paste. For the dough, mix flour, salt, and softened butter until crumbly. Add egg yolk and orange blossom water, mixing to form a soft, elastic dough. Knead until smooth. Shape the almond paste into small logs. Roll the dough paper thin, almost transparent. Wrap each almond log in dough, molding into a crescent. Trim excess dough for a neat finish. Arrange pastries on a baking sheet and let them air dry briefly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 15-20 minutes until pale and set, not browned. Cool completely before serving. Each step requires patience and a gentle touch. The result: elegant, aromatic pastries ready to be shared. With practice, you'll master the art of Kaab El Ghazal. Kaab El Ghazal is more than a treat. Its ingredients offer real benefits. Almonds provide healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamin E, supporting heart and bone health. Orange blossom water, distilled from bitter orange blossoms, is known for its calming aroma. It adds tranquility and a unique fragrance to each bite. Unlike many commercial sweets, these pastries use simple, natural ingredients. The focus is on pure flavors, not overwhelming sweetness. Making and sharing them is a mindful, meditative process. Preparing Kaab El Ghazal fosters connection and tradition. Food is nourishment for body and spirit. These pastries embody both. Enjoying them is a celebration of health, heritage, and togetherness. In Morocco, Kaab El Ghazal is central to hospitality and celebration. They're served with mint tea during the Atay ceremony, symbolizing honor and welcome. The pairing of sweet pastry and refreshing tea is iconic. Making Kaab El Ghazal is often a family affair, bringing generations together. The process is filled with laughter, stories, and shared tradition. When served, each pastry carries the warmth of those who made it. Try this tradition at home. Bake, brew mint tea, and invite friends or family. Share the story and significance behind the pastry. You're not just serving dessert, you're sharing culture and connection. Celebrate the art of Moroccan baking in your own kitchen. Every bite is a journey to Morocco. No passport required. Kaab El Ghazal, a delicious way to create memories and honor tradition.